Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I have a 10:30 appointment with Dr. Marthin.
Great. May I see your insurance card, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Is this your first time visiting our clinic?
No, I visited last year.
Perfect. Have you completed the medical history form?
Yes, I filled it out online yesterday.
Excellent. Please take a seat. The doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Maya, the doctor is ready to see you now.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Maya. How are you feeling today?
Not very well. I've had a sore throat for the past 3 days.
I see. Are you experiencing any other symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache and I feel very tired.
Have you had a fever?
Yes, it was 101 degrees yesterday.
Are you coughing or sneezing?
I have a mild cough, but not much sneezing. Achoo!
Does it hurt when you swallow?
Yes, especially in the mornings.
Let me take a look. Please open your mouth and say, ah. Your throat looks very red and swollen. It appears to be a throat infection.
Is it serious?
No, but you'll need antibiotics. I'll prescribe them for you.
How long should I take the medication?
Take it twice a day for 7 days.
Can I still go to work?
I recommend resting for 2 to 3 days.
Is there anything else I should do?
Gargle with warm salt water 3 times a day, and about 3 to 4 days, if you don't feel better, call us and we'll arrange a follow-up visit.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get plenty of rest.
Hello, you must be here to see the apartment.
Yes, I'm Mark. We spoke on the phone yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Jennifer. Please come in.
Thank you. Wow, it's bigger than I expected.
It's about 850 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Is this the living room?
Yes, and the kitchen is just over here.
The kitchen looks very modern. Are the appliances included?
Yes, the stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher all come with the apartment.
That's great. Is there a washer and dryer?
There's a laundry room in the basement with coin-operated machines.
How much do they cost?
It's $1.50 to wash and $1.50 to dry.
Are utilities included in the rent?
Water and trash are included. You would pay for electricity and internet.
What's the average electric bill?
Usually between $60 and $80 per month, depending on usage.
Does the apartment have central heating and air conditioning?
Yes, both are controlled by this thermostat.
Can I see the bedrooms?
Of course, this is the master bedroom.
Nice, and the closet is quite large.
Yes, and the second bedroom works well as an office or guest room.
Is parking available?
1 parking spot is included with the rent.
I have a small dog. Are pets allowed?
Yes, but there's a $300 pet deposit.
Is that refundable?
Yes, as long as there's no damage when you move out.
How much is the monthly rent?
It's $1,200 per month. Rent is due on the 1st with a $50 late fee after the 5th.
How long is the lease?
It's a 1-year lease with the option to renew.
When could I move in?
The apartment will be available next week.
Perfect. I'd like to apply.
Great. I'll email you the application today. I'll need 2 personal references and proof of income.
I can provide my pay stubs.
That will work perfectly.
Thank you. I really like this place.
I'm glad to hear that. I'll be in touch soon. Good evening. Welcome to Garden Bistro. How many are in your party? Just 2, please. Would you prefer a booth or a table?
A booth would be nice.
Perfect. Please follow me.
Thank you. This spot feels very cozy.
I'm glad you like it. May I start you off with something to drink?
I'll have a glass of white fresh fruit juice, please.
We offer apple, peach, and grapes juice.
I'll go with the apple juice.
Excellent choice. And for your friend?
Just water with lemon, please.
Certainly. Have you had a chance to look at the menu yet?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon is very popular, and so is the mushroom risotto.
Does it come with sides?
Yes, it's served with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes.
That sounds great. I'll have the salmon.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
Would you like to add chicken or shrimp?
No thanks.
Of course. Would you like an appetizer to start?
What do you recommend?
The bruschetta and stuffed mushrooms are both excellent.
Let's share the bruschetta.
Great choice. I'll place the order right away.
How long will it take?
Appetizers take about 10 minutes and entrees around 20.
That's fine. We're not in a rush.
Wonderful. I'll be back with your drinks shortly. Here's your grilled salmon and vegetable pasta. Please be careful, the plates are hot.
Everything looks amazing.
Can I get you anything else? More water or napkins?
We're fine for now, thank you.
Enjoy your meal. I'll check on you shortly. How was everything?
It was delicious. The salmon was cooked perfectly.
I'm so happy to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
What do you have?
Tiramisu, chocolate lava cake, and cheesecake.
The lava cake sounds tempting. Let's share one.
Perfect. And would you like the check as well?
Yes, please.
Here's your lava cake and your check. Take your time.
Thank you. The service has been excellent.
Thank you very much. We hope to see you again soon.
We'll definitely be back.
Have a wonderful evening. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel.
Good evening. Thank you. This is a beautiful hotel.
Thank you very much. How can I assist you this evening?
I have a reservation. I booked it online last week.
Wonderful. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's David Smith. S-M-I-T-H.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Please allow me a moment to check our system.
Of course.
I've found your booking. You have a single deluxe room reserved for 3 nights.
That's right. Is everything confirmed?
Yes, everything is confirmed. Your checkout will be on Friday morning.
Great. May I check in now?
Certainly. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll just make a copy for our records.
No problem.
Would you prefer a room on a higher floor or a lower floor?
I'm a higher floor, please. I enjoy a nice view.
In that case, room 1205 on the 12th floor is available.
That sounds great. Does it have a city view?
Yes, it offers a beautiful view of the city lights at night.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Here is your room key. The elevators are located to your right.
Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor.
Great. Could you arrange a wake-up call for 7 a.m., please?
Certainly. Your wake-up call has been scheduled.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Smith. Enjoy your stay with us.
Good morning. It's nice to see you today.
Good morning. How are you doing on this fine day?
I'm doing very well, thank you. The weather looks really nice today.
Yes, it's beautiful. The sun is shining brightly.
I love sunny days like this. Yesterday was so different.
You're right. Yesterday was very cloudy, and the sky was completely gray.
True, and it even rained a little in the afternoon.
Yes, I remember. I got caught in the rain without an umbrella.
Oh no, that's not fun. Did you get very wet?
A little. I had to run and find shelter.
A little. I had to run and find shelter.
That sounds uncomfortable. Do you usually like rainy days?
Sometimes I do. Rain can be relaxing when you're inside.
I agree. Reading a book while it's raining outside feels very peaceful.
Exactly. But I still prefer sunny days like today.
Same here. Sunny weather makes me feel happy and energetic.
Me too. It makes me want to go outside and be active.
Do you know the temperature today?
I think it's around 25 degrees Celsius.
That's perfect. Not too hot and not too cold.
It's ideal for a walk in the park.
That's a wonderful idea. The park must look beautiful today.
Walking in nature is very relaxing.
I agree. Fresh air is good for both the mind and body.
Let's enjoy this nice weather while it lasts.
Well said. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy the sunshine.